Calculating integrals. In this video, I will be explaining about calculating integrals. That means a general idea about what an integration is and how to integrate a definite as well as an indefinite integrals. So calculating integrals, there are two types of integrals we can do. One is with a indefinite integral, and the second one is a definite integral. Now indefinite integral will be of the form like integral f of x dx, and that we can write as, say, some capital F of x plus xc, where c is a constant and capital F dash of x will be, that means the derivative of capital F of x will be the small f of x. Now in a definite integral, it will be like integral a to b f of x dx. That means f of x from within the limit from a to b, that is equal to f of b minus f of a. Now what is this a to b here? A will be the lower limit and b will be the upper limit. So first apply the upper limit, then subtract from the lower limit. So the main difference between indefinite integral and definite integral is that in an indefinite integral there will be a constant c. Will be there. Whereas in a definite integral there is no constant c and we will be applying the limits, the upper limit and the lower limit, and then we will be getting the final answer. So just to conclude it, so the main difference between indefinite and definite integral is, in an indefinite integral there will be constant. We will not get an no exact answer and no limits or boundaries. Whereas in a definite integral there will be an exact answer, limits will be defined, limits are defined. Here this is no boundaries, and boundaries will be there. To make it more clear, the graph of an indefinite integral will be going on like this. This will be the graph of an indefinite integral. Like it goes on infinity, we cannot find a boundary here. Whereas the graph of a definite integral will be, like this. Suppose if this is 0 and if this is 2, there is a lower limit and upper limit, and there is a boundary here, and an enclosed region can be found in a definite integral. Like for this question, 0 will be the lower limit, 2 will be the upper limit, and this is enclosed region over here. So for this question we can write as integral 0 to 2 if this is an f of x dx for a definite integral. Whereas an indefinite integral we cannot write like 0 to 10, we can just write only integral f of x dx. There will not be any limits. So that's the main difference between a definite and indefinite integral. In the next video I will be posting about how to do the problems for both definite and indefinite integral, and we will be discussing in detail. So thank you so much.